Florida's House Speaker is calling for hearings to investigate a 3-year-old report that few lawmakers have seen until this week.
WPTV investigative reporter Dave Bowman has been digging through the report that is critical of the way some private property insurers move their money after collecting their premiums. Dave?
Todd, Megan, in the last 2 years, Florida property insurance companies called for major reforms. They said claims from hurricanes and lawsuits put them in a financial crisis. But that 2022 report from the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation finds some of these companies claiming losses were actually paying billions to affiliated sister companies and stockholders. According to a leading consumer advocate, that report, written in 2022, was never made public.
This would have been important information for the state regulators to have before they voted away the rights of Florida citizens to recover their legal fees if they have to sue their insurance company.
Doug Quinn of the American Policyholder Association tells me the report finds some insurance companies claiming they lost millions while their owners made big money. This is how Quinn interprets the report. Quinn claims some property insurance companies move money or buy services from affiliated businesses with the same owners. According to Quinn, these affiliated businesses score big profits while the insurance company is financially depleted and seeking big rate hikes just to stay afloat.
And the suffering on the ground is amazing. And that's all happening, one, because some fat cat insurance executives are stuffing their pockets at the expense of the people of Florida.
The trade group, the American Property Casualty Insurance Association, pushing back in a statement from its vice president of state government relations. Recent news reports stating that Florida insurers claim to be losing money while their parent companies and affiliates made billions are very misleading, adding, the financial situation of parent companies and affiliates has no bearing on the losses insurers have incurred as a result of increased claims due to hurricanes and the impacts of litigation, inflation, and higher reinsurance costs. Still, House Speaker Daniel Perez is moving ahead with hearings to investigate insurers' financial practices.
It's a very worthwhile question to make sure that companies aren't siphoning off extra profits that we don't see.
To investigate these property insurance companies that have been offloading profits to their subsidiaries, all the while crying broke.
There is no date or when these hearings are set to begin. Of course, we'll be staying on top of this development as the information brought out could lead to legislation that affects your homeowner's insurance. Back to you.
Dave, thanks so much.